Okay, so let's go to the next one. Medyo mabigat. This is heavier. Right here. Nope. Okay. Wala. Hindi siya nag-stick. Still in here, on my lips. Oh my goodness. I have a new favorite. Okay guys, so we're gonna be doing unboxing video. I actually ordered some items from Amazon. So, I have 3 items here. 1, 2, and then another one. So this one's bigger. So excuse po yung naglilinis sa aking likod, guys. Dahil kailangan po niyang maglinis and nagmamadali siya because
Graduation ko ngayon!
oh yeah, by the way, it's at the Hannah's graduation today, so let's congratulate her.
No, no, I pakita sa
Ayaw niya. But yeah, it's gonna be a virtual graduation, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the videos later. It is the new normal, hopefully not. Hopefully next year bumalik na sa dati because we don't want this. Mas maganda pa rin talaga if you will, you know, attend the ceremony, yung normal talaga na nakagawian, because this is a moment like you should be celebrating with your friends, your teachers, and your family, but we cannot do anything. But anyway, let's go back to the unboxing. I'll start with the one on this bubble wrap. This is my first package, guys. I am just going to be opening it. Alright. So let's do this. Yeah, this is the magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kit that I've got from Amazon. It came with this box and it's actually sealed, as you can see. It comes with this tube, magnetic eyeliner, 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes, and eyelash applicator. So let's open and see what's inside. So you can see it. There. Looks like this. Alright, so there's an instruction. Okay. Tips. How to use and how to remove. It's all in here. Okay. There's a tweezers. These are 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes, and then here is the applicator. Eyelashes is worth $16.80 and it comes with 5 pairs, so it's a good deal. And I got it for free shipping with the other item that I've got. It's actually, I've got it with the eye mask. I don't know if I have it right now. So that is the first item, guys. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Medyo mabigat. This is heavier. Let's open it first. So nakalagay dito, lithium-ion batteries. Okay, so I think this one is the gadget. Alright. So, ayan siya. Oh, I actually got the matcha under eye patches. So, this one. So, this is a green tea, aloe vera, and vitamin C from Pop Modern C. So, this is another brand, and it comes with 20 pairs of eye patches. So it says here it moisturizes and nourishes and reduces the puffiness and wrinkles. It is an anti-aging and reduces the under eye bags. So this is worth $12.99 in pesos. That's in dollars, but in pesos, $12.99 times 50, sabihin mo na, it's actually worth $649.50. So this is about 20 pairs of eye patches, and in the bags you can actually find the instruction how to use it, some other notes, and the ingredients. So nakalagay dyan yung ingredients, and then on the other side it says collagen mask. This is just a scan barcode. So this is it. Let us try to open it because it is sealed actually. And since gagamitin ko naman siya mamaya, I'm gonna be using it. So let's just open to see what's inside. So here. So each is sealed with the plastic wrap. Ayan. So it's really sterile. So you can see this is 20 packs. Ayan. Madami-dami siya. It's a lot of it. 20 packs, and this is worth $12.99, so that's about 650 in pesos. So it's not bad, not really bad, because it's 20 pieces, so at least it's a good deal. And then, so that's the other one, matcha under eye patch. Okay, so that is this next item. So I've got another product. This is actually from Etude House. This is the Dear Darling lip and cheek tint, and it comes in 3, so it's really a good deal. I was actually looking for the cheapest one, and I found this with 4-star reviews. Mostly. It has like 3,000 plus of reviews. So Etude House is actually a Korean brand of cosmetics. It's worth $13.50. That's like $4.50 each, and in Philippine money it's 225 pesos. So for 3, this is worth 675 pesos. So it's not bad. Okay, so this is. So it is claiming that it is with the moisturizer, pomegranate, and grapefruit extract to hydrate your lips. So let's do the swatches for this lip tint. So you will see it comes in a bubble wrap, and this is how big it is. See, this is my face. Yeah. So I don't know. It's like more than 2 inch. So I would say 4 inches. So let's open. So it comes with 3 colors. We have the strawberry, the cherry, and the orange. This is the orange one, and it's a water base. So Etude House Dear Darling water tint. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm not sure if you could see it clear. All right, there. So that's the orange, and then the other one, these are also sealed per bottle. It's the cherry, and then the pink one is the strawberry. Okay, so let's open them one by one and make swatches. So yeah, let's try them. Try natin yung, I'm gonna be trying the strawberry. Okay, so meron na siyang applicator. It comes with an applicator like this. Doesn't look like a brush. I think it's made of fabric. I'm not sure what it's made of, but so this is the strawberry. Ito yung swatch niya. Don't know if you can see it. Let's try it on my lips. I'm actually wearing lipstick right now from Vice Cosmetics. Let me just try to remove that. So let me try to get rid of my lipstick bago natin ilagay yung lip tint. Okay? Okay, I think I was able to get rid of it. So now, it smells amazing. Bango! I love the smell. This is the strawberry. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's try it on my lips. I don't have any mirror. Let me grab a mirror, guys. Hold. Okay, the problem with lip tints sometimes are staining your teeth. So I have to like wipe it. Even naman when it comes to lipstick, nag-stain din naman siya. But I love this. Ew. I love the smell. I'm not wearing any lip gloss or anything. Cooling. Great. This is how it looks like in my lips, guys. I don't know if you could see it clear. There. So this is a strawberry. Yan. Alright, I don't know if I could remove this. I don't think so. So this is the swatch that I made for the strawberry. Try it here. Nope. Okay. Wala. Hindi siya nag-stick. It's still in here, on my lips. Oh my goodness. I have a new favorite. But anyways, that is the strawberry. So such lang natin. I'm not gonna be using everything in my lips since this is hard to remove. So I'm just gonna swatch the other one. So this is the orange. Same thing. It has its own applicator. And very gentle talaga yung kanyang applicator, guys. Hindi siya matigas. That's why I think it's made of fabric, if I'm right. So this is the other one, the orange. Okay, you can see the difference. It is lighter, and of course it's orange. Much lighter. Okay, so I won't be able to use it in my lips this time. So that's it. Alright. Next one, I'm just gonna swatch the cherry. I did not, I have to smell it too because I love the scent. I'm actually the kind of person who loves to like smell things, especially if they smells good. You know what? I don't know the difference. Parang parehas lang sila ng strawberry. But it's fruity. That's all I can say. Okay, let's go back to the cherry. Yun siya. Let's just swatch the cherry too. Oh yeah, I'm right. This is darker shade. So this is the strawberry. I think it's kind of like not light, but it looks like a dark pink to me. And then orange is lighter. The cherry looks red. Okay, so I'm gonna show you closer so you can see it. So this is how it looks like. The first swatch is the strawberry, and then orange in the middle, and then the cherry. Okay, so I'll try to see and test this product if it's really good and it's non-drying, because we don't want that, especially if we're wearing lipstick or lip tint. We don't want our lips to get dry and cracking. So I'm not wearing any lip gloss or anything, just so you know. Overall, I think I'm loving this product. So we'll just try to check about the, you know, the moisturizing effect of the product. But I love it. It comes with this glass bottle with a plastic cover and an applicators, and I love the scent of this Etude House lip tint. I think you could also use it for cheeks, but I am only using it for my lips right now. And as they get dry, it's really hard to get rid of them. I already try to like wipe it using a tissue, and I won't be able to get rid of it, and I can't take it off. Hindi siya matanggal, so it's very effective. That's for the lip tint. Next product that I've got, or item that I've got from this little box, is the dog training collar. For you who don't know yet, I actually adopted a dog. We actually adopted a dog, and this dog's still a puppy, and so we're in the training, I would say work in progress when it comes to the dog's behavior. So one of my colleagues actually suggested me to get a dog training collar, and this is what I've got from Amazon. So this is worth $35.99. It is actually intended for small, medium to large dogs, and it is adjustable. It says here it's adjustable. It is 3 training modes: bip, it vibrates, and it's shock. Okay, and then it is safe. It's a super safe protection designed. It has its remote. where you could actually use. So let me just open and show you. And it's waterproof as well. It is it can reach up to 1,600 feet distance. Okay, so let's open it. Let's open the box and show it to them. So this is how it looks like, and it comes with a remote, okay, charger, and then this is the color. This is how it looks like. I'm too close already. So meron siyang, the other one is made of fabric. Ayan. And then the other one is actually a plastic kind. Ayan. Okay, last box. This is the biggest one. So the training color for the dogs, I'm still gonna read the manual because this is my first time. But I'm still charging it right now. It's worth 30 bucks each. Alright, so this is the last items that I've got from Amazon. I've got the 5-port USB hub, and then the other one is a swimwear, so it's for a gift. So this is a 5-port USB 3.0 hub, which is actually a charging hub. You could actually use it for any, for your laptops, for your camera. It comes with a box like this, and then let's just check what's inside. This is worth $20, which is that is about 1,000 pesos in Philippine money. Okay, so it comes with a 12-month product warranty card, manual or user manual, and the 5-port power hub. So it looks like this. Alright, so, and a connector. What do you call this? This is actually the port device. It comes with a plug. Alright, so this is the plug. So it comes with an adapter, the switch or the 5-port power hub itself. So that's it. And then the other one is actually a swimwear, which is actually a swimsuit. Here. I got it for about $12, so that is around 600 pesos Philippine money. So this is how it looks like. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit her, but this is gonna give it as a gift. So, and that is all for today. I am gonna be packing this because we're gonna give it to as a gift for the graduating student, which is Hannah Banana. Today is their virtual graduation, and it's actually almost 3 o'clock, so I think that I'm gonna be just showing you a little bit of the video. I was actually surprised to know that it's not a Zoom kind of virtual graduation, but it was actually a live YouTube video. Hindi maganda ang virtual graduation para sa mga gagraduate dahil hindi mo ma-feel yung moment, di ba? Gusto mo pa rin at least syempre makita for the last time yung mga classmate, yung teacher mo. And at the same time, it's gonna be better if your family isn't there to witness that part of your life. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the video for today for the unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all again next time for another one. And I'll just put all the links on the description box if you're interested to know more about these products. Alright, I'll see you again next time. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel.
Tide keeps pulling me in. We fight, we fall.